The world of technology is constantly evolving, and every year, we witness breakthroughs that change the way we live, work, and interact with each other. In this video, we will explore the latest and most exciting developments in the tech industry that will blow your mind away. From the tiny smartphones in our pockets to the massive supercomputers that power our digital world, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives. But what's next? What new technologies will shape our future? Virtual reality is one of the most exciting technologies that are rapidly gaining popularity. It allows us to immerse ourselves in a completely different world and experience things we never thought possible. Drones are also changing the way we live, work, and play. They are being used for everything from delivering packages to capturing stunning aerial footage. Artificial intelligence is another technology that is transforming the world we live in. It is being used to automate tasks, make predictions, and even create art. Smart homes are becoming increasingly popular as well, as people are looking for ways to make their lives more convenient and efficient. With the help of smart devices, you can control everything from your lights to your thermostat with just a few taps on your smartphone. Wearable technology is also on the rise, with devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers becoming more advanced and sophisticated. These devices can help us monitor our health and fitness goals, track our daily activities, and even make payments. Finally, the world of computers and software is also evolving at a rapid pace. With the rise of cloud computing, machine learning, and data analytics, businesses are now able to process vast amounts of data and make better informed decisions. These are just a few of the many exciting developments in the world of technology. As we look towards the future, we can only imagine what new breakthroughs will come next. So, let's strap in and get ready for the ride of a lifetime. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content like this.